What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. It's Thursday, okay? Act like you know. Today, I actually have a couple. It's not just the handbag. I'm just gonna show y'all everything that I got, okay? So it's not just the bag, but obviously by the title you know what bag it is, okay? And I'm excited. So I got a couple. I got a couple things from Coach when I went to Westfield Mall this past weekend. Okay, speaking of Westfield Mall, I love it. Okay, can't wait to go back. Also, can't wait to go to Bicester Village. I was thinking about going next weekend, but I might wait a little, save up my little coins first, and then go to Bicester Village. But went to Westfield Mall, picked up a couple things. I am going to show the bag last. I'll just show the other things first, but the video won't be long, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, went ahead and picked up this leather cleaner and leather moisturizer, and there's like a little cloth with it, okay? So with my pillow tabby, I've been getting a few stains, and I also got a little bit of transfer on my pillow tabby. So when the saleswoman was like, oh, get this, I was like, okay, sure. So I plan on using this on my pillow tabby. I actually plan on using it on my vlog, and we're going to see if it works. So yeah, I got this. This is 25 pounds. So this is one thing I got. Next, I went ahead and actually got this little wallet, but it was free. So if you purchase 2 items, you got like a wallet. Like there was 2 options. This is more of like the card holder one, but you got like a card holder or like a little small like zip up wallet free. This was a little more of my style. So yeah, it has 1, 2, 3 card slots here, and then it has a card slot in the side, and then a card slot on this side. So yeah, got this free, so that was cool. Next I got this Coach belt, okay, and it's reversible. It has the Coach logo on this side, and then it has like this kind of, I wouldn't call it chestnut, but it's kind of like a brown color on the other side. So I wanted the belt in white, or not white, well, it was cream. It was like the cream Coach logo on one side and then cream on the other side. I actually wanted that color of black. They did not have it, but belts are something that I have been needing, like kind of important. So I went ahead and got this one. It was on sale for 69 pounds. It was either 69 or 59 pounds. But yes, went ahead and got this belt. It is adorable, and it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. So yeah, and it came with a dust bag, so I thought that was really cool, really fancy. So yeah, that belt is a thing. We got that. And to the start of the show, now it did actually come all wrapped up and like fresh in the packaging, but I had them unwrap it and put it in a dust bag because for the first time, this is actually my first time buying a bag out of a Coach store, and like I said, I got it in Westfield Mall. Of course, I will leave links to everything down below, but the reason I didn't take it out the wrapping is because I got my initials on it. Okay, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but let's see. It's kind of bright, but it's AR in the like brass Coach color. I thought that was super cute. But here we have the Coach Madison. Y'all, this bag is so cute and so adorable. There is a bigger version of it. And I saw it, the bigger version. So I did get this bag on sale. Let's back up. The bag was on sale. It was on sale for 225 pounds. And when I saw it, I was just like, that is so cute. You know, it fits in that color that I've kind of been going with. And to be honest, the thing that I liked about it the most was, one, the chain on it, which I'm obviously taking the wrapping off it right now so we can take a look at the chain. But I did like the chain on it, and I also liked like the length in which it fell. Like, it falls at a perfect length for a short woman. I am only 5 feet. Okay, I know that shocks people when they hear it all the time, but I am only 5 feet. So this is what it looks like in the inside. There is 3 card slots right here, and then we have a slot in the back, and there's also a slot back here. So let's take this off. And it's not a top handle bag. Y'all know I love me a top handle bag, but I mean, this bag is adorable. If I can get this weird paper off of it, we can really see. Okay, y'all, hold on. Okay, I think this makes no sense. How do I come right back once I've succeeded at this? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I got the weird wrapping stuff off, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, y'all, I absolutely love this chain. I am gonna stand up for y'all, and of course, if I can insert a picture, I will. But where the bag falls is just like, let's see if we can back up. It falls at such a nice length, okay? Nice here in the front. And again, y'all, I said I will insert a picture if need be. And then this is how it looks on the side. Y'all, it even look nice with what I have on, like, right now. Like, come on, stop playing with me. Like, I just love it, love it, love it, okay? It's small, it's cute. I think it's a bag that you could kind of, like, dress up and down at the same time. And y'all know I love that. And like I said, I do love the chain, which has, like, the white, like kind of like the white strand going through it. I thought that was so cute and so adorable. I actually think it is a little, it's similar in the style to my Kurt Geiger rainbow bag, but obviously the color, like, it's similar in style, but it gives a completely different vibe and look. I feel like that one with the colors are obviously more playful, more novelty, more, you know, on the fun side. And this one just kind of gives a much more classic look, and I love it. I love me a nice, just everyday classic bag that I can dress up or down, you know what I mean? And this one is giving me all of those vibes. So again, of course, I will leave links to everything down below. Y'all, give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have the Coach Madison, because it also comes in black. If I could insert a picture, I will. It also comes in black. They didn't have black in the store. They only had this color in black. And to be honest, it was either this or the Coach Beat bag. So they had the Coach Beat bag that they had in there. They had like the Coach Beat rivet, but they only had it in black, and I was looking for it in the ivory. And then they had it with the horse and carriage logo on it, and like a kind of like a nude and ivory color. I liked that one, but when it came down to the come down, I liked this one a lot more. So comment down below if you have the Coach Madison, if you are getting the Coach Madison. I don't know if it's the Coach Madison Mini or not. This is in the color chalk. This is the color that they say chalk. But comment down below to let me know if you have the Coach Madison in the like large, I want to say medium or large, or in the smaller one. Or if you've been looking to get it. Would I say this bag is worth the purchase? To be honest, I can't say as of now, because I haven't worn the bag. I don't know how it's going to wear. I don't know how it's going to last. But off of first impressions, definitely. I definitely think she is just a bag that you can kind of wear every day, all the time, dress her up, dress her down. It's not like one of those bags that once you purchase it, you like immediately regret it, or you feel like, oh, I should have got the other one. No, I was completely satisfied with this purchase over the Coach Beat. Although, if they would have had the Coach Beat bag in the color that I wanted, I probably would have got that one. Not gonna lie to y'all. But that does not mean that eventually I would have not gone back and get this one. And oddly enough, at that store, this was actually the last one, or the last fresh one. The only one besides that was the display. So, obviously the girls are loving it. But thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you have this bag. Or just comment down below and say, hey, I like the video. I appreciate that. I love you guys so much. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, okay? To catch the looks, the handbags, the fashions, the tees, all that. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.